Hello, I'm Matt from the Library Advice Service, and today I'm going over how to use the Teams meeting control panel. When you join a Teams meeting, the meeting control panel will appear across the top of your screen. I'll now go over some of the basics. So, from right to left, you'll find the option to leave the call, or, if you started the meeting, the option to end the meeting for everyone. Next, we have the Share button, which has a number of options to share a specific screen, individual files, or your entire desktop with the other participants if needed. We then have the Mic button, which allows you to turn your microphone on or off. Having yourself on mute is especially useful if you are in a meeting with many participants to avoid any background noise whilst the presenter is speaking. By clicking on the small arrow beside the microphone symbol, you may access quick settings for microphone input and speaker output, as well as other advanced settings. Similarly, the Camera button allows you to toggle the camera on or off, with further display and input options available via the menu. Beyond that, you can find these three dots, which open up another menu with further options, including to record the meeting. If you are a presenter, the Rooms button allows you to create breakout rooms and to allocate participants to them. The View button allows you to switch mode between a variety of display options for viewing participants. Along from that, you'll find the React button, which allows you to quickly respond to what is being said by sending one of the emotes from the pop-up menu. The Raise button allows you to virtually raise your hand. This can be seen by the organizer and other participants. The People button shows the names of participants in the meeting and which is assigned organizer. The Chat function allows you to chat back and forth with a group of participants. That was a brief introduction to the Teams meeting control panel. Don't forget to ask us for help if you need it. Our contact details are on our website.